Going to do a porta potty review here at Emerald Isle Beach at the western part of the island. This is a new home being constructed. Looks like a really nice home. We got the building permits out here. It's like a down east portable sanitation. So let's go in and check it out. It's real close to this cedar tree here, as you can see. And it's a mess. The urine's a mess. We have our soap dispenser here. We have some graffiti, praise Jesus. These vents are right up against this tree here. And we have a stinky porta potty here. Got some toilet paper here left over. Floor is really dirty. Got a couple rolls here. It's like it was last cleaned December 26th. So toilet paper roll on the floor there, empty. It's got a sliding door here. Let's go check the outside out. It's right by the cedar tree. Doesn't look too bad on the outside. Sitting on skids, as you can see. Can't even get to the other side. It's got some numbers to keep up with it here. All in all, I'll give it a mediocre review here. But a really nice home. And this porta potty is located on Myrtle Street here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina, about 7 rows back from the ocean.